Hello everyone, welcome to Comfy Eating. Today we are making a delicious potato crusted chicken roll. This is perfect for a light breakfast, a snack, or anytime light meal. This has got a crispy potato layer wrapped around a tasty chicken filling. So let's see how to make this. To start with, we will prepare the potato layer. For this, I have grated 4 medium-sized potatoes. Wash them well and we will drain out any excess water. Into a bowl, we will add the grated potatoes, 1 sliced onion, 1 sliced capsicum, and to bind everything together, we will add 4 eggs and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. For the flavors, we will add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, salt to taste, and give everything a good mix. If the mixture seems too thick, we will just add 1 tablespoon of water. The mixture should be slightly thick yet spreadable. Now we will prepare a baking tray lined with butter paper. We will grease it with some oil. And now we will pour our potato mixture. So we will spread it into a very thin, even layer. We are now going to bake this for 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes so that we get a very nice, crisp layer. Now we'll prepare our chicken filling. I've taken 1 chicken breast, cut it into very small pieces, and marinate it with some salt and red chili flakes. And we'll keep this aside for about 5 to 10 minutes. In a pan, we will add some oil and saute some chopped garlic. Next to this, we will add 1 chopped onion and saute until it is slightly golden. Next, we will add 1 chopped tomato. Add some salt to this and add 1 teaspoon of chicken masala and saute this for a minute. Next, we will add our marinated chicken and cook this for about 7 to 10 minutes until our chicken is fully cooked and tender. Finally, to this we will add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce and mix it well. Now our filling is ready. Now our baked potato layer is out of the oven and it is ready. So now we will carefully take the layer and cut this into 3 pieces. Now to each piece we will add our chicken filling. We will add some fresh coriander leaves on top. Add some cheese to it. And then gently roll each piece, making sure that the fillings stays inside. So we will repeat the same step for the other 2. Once all the 3 rolls are done, we will place them back in the baking tray and sprinkle a little more cheese over on the top. And we will bake this again at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes so that our rolls are nice, crisp and golden brown. So here we have our potato crusted chicken rolls are ready. They are nice, golden, cheesy and packed with lots of flavor. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Thank you for watching.